It's one of the most familiar and frequently photographed landmarks in Southwest Florida. But what you may not know is that the Sanibel Lighthouse has a unique and largely unknown history that reaches well beyond its primary role as a beacon for mariners. In fact, the history of the lighthouse is, in many ways, the history of Sanibel Island itself. Now, after more than a year in the making, the Sanibel Historical Museum and Village is proud to introduce production of a new documentary, Secrets and Stories of the Sanibel Lighthouse. In this documentary, we'll take you on a journey through rarely seen historic photographs, documents, and home movies, which tell not only the construction history of the lighthouse, but also the human story of the lighthouse keepers and other islanders who lived, worked, and raised families at this site. You'll discover the strong connections the lighthouse has to longtime island institutions like the Ding Darling National Wildlife Refuge, Sanibel's Sea Turtle Monitoring Program, and Sanibel's fishing and lodging industries. You'll also see how the lighthouse was ground zero for pioneering research in the all-important effort to control mosquitoes. You'll see the role the lighthouse played in America's defense during World War II, and you'll hear firsthand from the U.S. Coast Guard's last official Sanibel lighthouse keeper and from a longtime island conservationist who lived at the lighthouse for more than 20 years. Plus, we'll reveal the special connection this lighthouse has to one of America's most treasured national monuments. Ironically, this is the story of a lighthouse that was itself the victim of a shipwreck, the very thing these special lights were designed to prevent. This documentary will premiere at the Historical Village's Red Carpet Gala on February 22nd at the Community House. Please contact the Village for information on sponsorships and tickets.